2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, heated front seats, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, security system, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.